Good morning, good morning, good morning, scrappers. It is 6:23 a.m. Beautiful Monday morning. No, Tuesday morning. Yes, it is 52 degrees. What are we doing out here? Are we cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs? No, we're cleaning the streets. That's what we're doing. Like we do every chance we get. Thank you for coming along for the ride, keeping me company, so I don't feel like I'm talking to myself. We're gonna get it done this morning. We gotta fill out this truck. Yes, we do. It is bright and early. I can barely see, but anyway, we're gonna watch it, we're gonna look for it, and we're gonna find it. And you're gonna help me find it. And we came into our first pile here. No, nothing has changed. All right, what do we have over here? Nothing but wood furniture. Furniture. All right, I'll turn it back on as soon as I get to something. All right, we already got our first scrap. Metal and lights. Metal and lights. That's what we're gonna be finding. We're gonna be finding a lot of it. I don't want to stuff them in there. Yep. I don't know. Or read for next year. Why not? All right. Hold on just a minute.
That's metal in there? I didn't know there was much metal in there.
Yeah, they take it. There you go.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, we got ourselves a fan. Cut the cord. We found a cart here, and we got a battery. All right, we leave the rest. Let's go. All right, we got our first broom. Let's take our first broom. What is this? Piece of metal. That's it for that. Another pole. And I found a light here, big metal light. So I got that. Anything else in here? Nothing. No running shoes. So I can start running? No, I guess not. All right. I'll keep walking then. Just picked up a tote. Very good tote. Totes always come in handy. Got ourselves a metal hanging rack, metal behind toilet rack, is it? Yeah, behind the toilet. It's all right, we'll take it apart in a few minutes. No problem. Let's get it in there. We got a screen. Are you able to take it apart here? Come on. Wow, unbelievable. All right, we got it apart. Put that in there. Let's keep stripping it. We don't need to take the whole thing. Put that in there. Put that in there. Come on, we were doing so good. There we go. In there. In there. And let's leave on the screen for the garbage. Hey, a can. Let me take a can. All right, we got a compressor here. Oh, man. Yeah. We have to organize this. this in a few because I guess we'll put it over here for right now. Oh my goodness. What was that? Oh. Let's keep it together. We don't know if it works yet. Before we start throwing things away. Come on. Alright, we'll keep it. No. Let's leave it in there. Hey, got everything in there. Alright. Got a couple of things here. But before we do that, we gotta fix this truck. Let's fix it. I'll be with you in just a minute. Got ourselves a heavy duty lamp, which somebody already cut the cord. They beat me. They beat me to it, no problem. Let them have it. It's fine. And a dishwasher. Let's get the dishwasher. Let's get the dishwasher. Looks heavier than what it is, but anyway, let's get it up in there. Oops, I missed it. Let's see. All right, it's in there. I don't know where that came from, but anyway. That goes in there. But we got a cord. Let's cut the cord. We don't see any bed rails. All right, let's go. I'm gonna get a pit stop here. We have a metal chair and a crooked cane. Let's get it. We gotta get what we get. Don't matter. Whatever it is, has to go in the truck. Heavy chair. That's it. Oh, that was it. We got a scooter. We got an old scooter. They got a new scooter. So now we got an old scooter. Basketball hoop. Oof. Oh my goodness. Let's take it. Where we gonna put it? Where we gonna put it? Oh my goodness, where we gonna put it? We'll put it in the back of the truck. That's where. All right. Let's put it in there. All right. How you doing?
Ways to make money besides throwing garbage in that nice truck.
Yeah.
Got a lot of shit going on. I ain't driving yet.
I hear you, boss man.
They're gonna give me my license back, but I'm scared to get that motherfucker.
I hear you, man. They make it impossible. All right. All right, we got it in here. All right, we're loading it up. A lot of pipe. Looks like it might be from a trampoline. Just when I wasn't doing, see? Never give up. Never give up. Let's continue. And he gave us this little refrigerator. Said it works. We got it this far. We got to get it inside. Oh. There we go. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's tilt it. That's it. It's inside. We got a vacuum. Let's get the vacuum. No one has messed with the cord. That's too much plastic. I can't take that vacuum. I would love to take them, but I can't. All right. We got us a couple of pieces of metal and a Swiffer. Well, this is a different kind of Swiffer. Yeah, that's a different kind of Swiffer. We're calling it a day. That's it. Maybe about an hour's worth. Not much out on the streets today, but hey, you know what? We got some aluminum, some what is that called? Aluminum. We got aluminum. We got this aluminum here. So yes, we did good. We did good, and inside we got a couple of cords. Some Christmas tree lights. Yeah. Real good if I say so. Yeah, no problem. So I usually take these motors off because a friend of mine lives down the street, and he has a way of taking the Freon out, but he's on vacation and I can't take that out because if not, it's gonna spray that all over. So it's gonna have to go just like that to the scrapyard. I can't do anything about that. Some metal pipes. I am gonna keep that compressor to see if it works. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along. I appreciate it 100% deep down. You guys stay safe. Subscribe, share, like. That's all I ask. Nothing else, nothing more. Thank you very much again. God bless, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video. We are here, Mr. Scraps. We're gonna do this tomorrow because I'm running out of time, but I have to do it today. They called me and told me that I had to go pick up some stuff tomorrow, so I won't be able to take this to the scrapyard. So we're just here, and we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get this take it out of the truck, get rid of it. See you in a few. 3960. Waiting for the yell. Raining a couple of days in a row, so it's nice and dry, at least. And my truck is still squeaking. I don't know why. I greased up the front end, but it's still squeaking. So, all right. Well, I'll turn it on when we get there. All right, let's get all this stuff out of here. What's up, boss? Gotcha. Man, they don't make them later. This is back in the day. All right, that stays. All right, we're all good. All right, boss. All right, all I kept was that compressor. I want to see if it works. My tote, and of course the cords, you know. I got my wife a job. She's gonna cut out all the lights off the Christmas trees. I have like 2 totes, so she's willing to help me. She says no problem whatsoever. I have a wonderful wife. I give her a hard time. That's what she has to deal with sometimes. But hey, it's all fun and games. Not a problem. She'll do it no matter what. All right, let's go see what we weigh out. 3240, 3260, I think. All right. We're here seeing a young lady. All right, let's see what we get paid. All right, thank you. Have a good day. All right, let's go. All right, 400 pounds, $22. Not bad. About 45 minutes, an hour worth of work. Cleaning up the streets, that's what we're doing. All right, again, I wasn't gonna come to the scrapyard, but again, I gotta do something tomorrow. I can't have the truck with stuff in it. And thank you again for watching, for subscribing, for sharing, everything. Thank you. I appreciate everything that you viewers do for me. And thank you again. I'll see you on the next video. Somebody just dropped something there. Unbelievable. But anyway, God bless. Always be safe. Stay happy. Do your thing.